It's going to be a super fun day today because I have a group coming and we're going to cook express menu because they're going back to the United States and they're asking me to arrange the tuk-tuk to pick up and drop off. I am very excited. I hope we can make it on time. The best time of fermented fish for fish sauce 18 months, 1 year and 6 months. Color darker, fishier, saltier. Okay, so it could be any brand. I saw a lot in America, the squid one, you know. But you have to know how to use, you have to learn how to use more or less, you know. And this one, we talk about baby corn. This is baby corn. That's baby peppercorn. This is the baby corn, fresh baby corn. Yeah. We can do it into stir fry or curry. And you know ginger, everyone knows this ginger. You have this at home. Have you heard about the Thai ginger or galangal? So this is, you know, turmeric. Have you seen fresh turmeric? I'm seeing some supermarket in state, you know, this one. But a lot of people, you know as a turmeric powder, right? And our curry paste, like today, green and Panang, I add turmeric in your paste too. Okay? See, if you got mosquito bite, bug bite, it's scrub, it's helling.
I got a lot.
A lot. Put on some. I have a lot in the kitchen, so you can put a turmeric. Yes. Okay. Soup packet.
This is like a tom yum soup packet, have turmeric, that's ginger,
อันนี้คุณครูเป็นผู้ช่วย
lemongrass,
คุณครู
and
เปิ้ลมาก็กันนะคะเปิ้ล
อั
เป็น น
นี้
ครู
กี่บาทครับเนี่ย
พี่หมวย
ฮะ
5 บาท 5 บาท
5 baht for soup. You shove everything and put it in the water, ready to use.
There are many things in that wrap. Tom yum, hot and sour prawn soup. Tom kha. This is kha in Thailand. Tom kha. That means tom is the way of cooking. Kha Thai ginger. Gai chicken. Tom kha. So this one the kha. And also tom kamin. Tom kamin. Kamin is the yellow one. The turmeric. And this is the one you have at home. We call it king. Right? We have funny name, pretty close. Kha, king, kamin. You see, pretty close name, huh? And gai pad kin chicken ginger. This is the one for the stir fry. I have the recipe in the book for you as well. And this one important. ใบมะกรูดน้องทำไปแล้วแต่น้องจะเอา2 กรัมเด้อ Holy basil. Have you heard about holy basil? We press the flower and smell. In Thai, Krapow. And this one, I like you to scratch the skin and smell and pass it down for fun. We add this lime peel, kaffir lime peel in our curry paste today. I did already. I'm starting powdering early morning. So kaffir lime peel in red curry paste, in Panang curry paste, in green curry paste, in massaman, in yellow curry paste. Okay, here we go. How many banana? Can you pass it out? Banana? Banana. Who wants sweet? Who want the taro? He want the. Anyone want taro? Anyone want sweet potato or banana? Is it nice? Yeah, good, huh? I love the smell. ฝากทิ้งด้วยนะคะเดี๋ยวฝากตรงนี้ก่อนนะ You see this mango? That's what we're gonna make today. Sweet sticky rice and mango.
Hit that mug.
Yay! You got it! Yay! Now we got papaya. Got 2. All right.
We need more than that.
A lot because we have many people. Okay. A lot. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Chive.
Yes, there you see
อ๋อ แล้วตักไงครับ
ตัดตรงเท้าไปเลยค่ะก็คือเมื่อวานเนี่ยมันเป็นดอกเลยล้มดอกไม้เป็นกระจายเป็นน้ำปลาผัดแบบที่ปลาถึงจัดก่อน
So the fish sauce.
the fish sauce a little bit
So they have 4 ingredients: the thick soy sauce, thin soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then fish sauce. 1 spoon.
and you need the sugar in front of you in the bowl in the basket anyone else have it yeah okay in the basket there's a jar of sugar right you have a small spoon like this you know or the curved one like this can you please take the sugar yes cane sugar okay next you ready I'm gonna go for the next step it's too sweet for you you have to taste it right I will get another spoon
Where do I put the spoon?
own it don't use it we're just gonna keep tasting and tasting sweet very sweet to you
I think it's perfect.
if you said perfect we add more if you say perfect we add more
It's supposed to be really sweet though.
yeah I like the way salt about a teaspoon of salt for now salt stir it till the salt and then taste again now what we're looking for after sugar salt dissolve you guys taste yeah and then we talk let's see think about something to remind you it's not going to be exactly something close to what you have at home 3 things now right coconut milk sugar and salt you think it's soda yeah okay
Can we taste it?
that now I taste the right amount
Just level of sweetness.
like salted caramel, something like that. Let's say that to remind yourself. Some people even said like sweetened condensed milk, something like that. Yeah. You see, you have to make it very how to say very. I will use the word very rich because we're gonna mix the rice in there. If you make it less sweet than this, the rice won't taste anything. You see what I mean? That's why he said perfect. I need to do this. 1 spoon more. Pretend you don't see that. This level is important. Let's see when we're done with research. And again, like I said, it's too sweet. You have my recipe. Man, I disagree with me. I'm gonna do like however you like. But you have to include, like you asked me, this is fresh coconut milk. This is how we do it. And now we have that. Next we have rice. And before serving, you can let it sit. Before serving, 10 to 15 minutes. You know, then it's the texture here is going to be more
So
firm.
for me, this is good, right?
This
So
is
this is
good.
good. And then let it sit.
Let it sit. And when it's set, it will get more firm.
Looks good, Fanny.
Is that easy? Is that easy? I think if I can remember that and draw that.
I'm trying to get this can.
No. Number 1. Aromatic chicken.
Look delicious. Smell like it's marinated. Like a shopping trip where you all have. When you do this, your noodle when you cook it absorbs the flavor and make it show flavor. When you do this, see underneath you flip. You want to make sure everything gets the brown color. But don't mix it like that. Even though you cook it, it's okay. Soft in. The noodle is soft. You want to turn the gas off. Turn the gas off.
Cooker down.
Okay, fire.
You want me to or me?
Yeah, I'll make it a little mic. ต้องเอาไฟนะคะ have a class with a lovely group of the people here. They love tuk-tuk, so we arranged the tuk-tuk. So yeah, they're done cooking. We're about to say bye-bye. Well, a great day today. For me, I love my job and I love to have people in my house. Really sad and really just want to wave them.
ครับ
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ครับ
Bye-bye. Bye-bye ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye-bye. Bye-bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye-bye. Have a good trip.
It's a big, it's like a carnival ride.